Let me show you how to make grilled vegetables at home. They are easy, tasty, healthy. Anyone can make them. So let's get started. Take colorful vegetables of your choice. Make sure they are cut of even size so that the cooking time is equal. Now season them with ginger, garlic, thyme, oregano, salt and pepper or any other seasoning of your choice. Add teeny bit of olive oil. Marinate the vegetables nicely. Now heat your pan. No need to add any oil. Add the marinated vegetables. Make sure you are not overcrowding the pan. Stir fry them over high heat. Usually they are ready in less than 5 minutes. Season them with chili flakes, basil, and oh my god, healthy tasty grilled vegetables are ready. So good.